It's KyReviews, and today I will be reviewing this braided unit. This is a full 360 braided unit, so if you're interested in this unit, then please keep on watching. So in today's video, I have this unit from AliExpress. I will leave the direct link to this unit, so don't you fret, it will be in the description box, so you could go and check that now. But this is a 36-inch full lace braided unit. This one is just a box braid style. It's regular box braids, and it does not come with any curly ends like the previous one I just did. But this one has the ends like really at the tips. It's very, like, it would not unravel. You can tell that this would last you a very, very long time. So before I get into my thoughts, let me give you the specs. So this unit has 3 combs, 2 at the front, 1 at the back with adjustable straps, and as well as an adjustable band. That band literally keeps this wig on your head. As you all can tell, I'm yanking on it and it's not going anywhere. But you can also put any, like, it's got to be glued or any lace sprays or glues to keep it down if you would like. But for me, that adjustable band does the job great. So you can definitely go ahead and use either options. It's really up to you. Now, this wig does come with baby hairs. I had to cut them off because they were just getting in my way, but if you would like, you can definitely use them. This is what it would look like. It does give you a little bit of length, so you can also trim it down to your liking. This is what the wig looks like. I only tinted the lace at the front so you all can kind of see what I'm talking about. So throughout the wig, this is what it's looking like. It's full lace throughout. You pull it off to the side. It's the same thing. Lace there, everywhere. Anywhere you want to part it, you can do it. Hi. So yeah, definitely a wig that can go up in a bun, or you can go half up, half down, or just all the way up. It's really up to you because this is a full lace wig. You can definitely play around with this unit. That's what I love about this type of unit. This is what I was asking for. As you all know, I have reviewed some sensational braided wigs. So this is what I'm talking about. Mainly something that is full lace and that you can see it. But as you all can tell at the front, it does give scalp and it does look very well. As far as the weight, it is a little heavy. It's not like the previous one I reviewed. That one was a lot lighter than this one. I don't know. It is a little heavy on my head, but I don't know the thickness of it, maybe the thickness of the braids and how many of them they are, but it is a beautiful braided wig. This can last you a very, very long time, and you don't need to worry about heading to the salon to do this exact look. That would probably last you probably just a month versus a 10-minute throw on and go, and that's it, without having to worry about it messing up at all, because you might have this for over like a year or 2. So this is a very good unit to wear, and I absolutely love how this looks. It's so neatly braided. Let me show you again what the tips of it looks like. It does look quite nice. I do like it a lot. Now, in terms of my thoughts, very nice wig. I would give it probably, well, yeah, 10 out of 10 in terms of the concept. But as far as the weight, it is a little heavy, so that kind of knocks down some points. But it's not like it's overbearing, but it is a lot of hair, so I have to take that into accountability right there. So definitely a cute wig. I will suggest that you get one. Everybody needs to invest in a nice braided wig that will have them looking cute. and it would be a lot easier for them to, work with, as opposed to putting that pressure onto your scalp. It is a lot. So thank you so much for tuning in to my video. I truly appreciate it. And also don't forget to follow me on all of my social media platforms. Links will be down below. And I will see you all in another video. Take care. Bye.